The EVEAGE 20-inch pressure washer surface cleaner model EP003 is a commercial-grade attachment, providing a broad 20-inch cleaning area with dual pressure water jets, making it perfect for various surfaces like wood, concrete, tiles, and bricks. Equipped with a high-density nylon splash-free skirt and a professional high-pressure hose, this pressure washer surface cleaner minimizes overspray and is compatible with both cold and hot water. The EP003 is constructed from hard stainless steel 401, making it rust-proof, anti-corrosive, and extending its service life by at least 50% more compared to other brands. The simple structure and easy installation of the EP003, along with its 2 adjustable handles and 4 universal wheels, make it user-friendly and effortless to operate. The EP003 comes with a 12-month warranty and a range of accessories including easy-to-replace nozzles, various fittings, a quick converter head, Teflon tape, and a nozzle cleaner, providing great value for your money. With a high review score of 4.6 out of 5 from 93 reviews, the EVEAGE EP003 pressure washer surface cleaner, priced at $220.99, demonstrates a high level of customer satisfaction and is a worthwhile investment.